Good morning, how are you guys? I'm fine. This is Tyrock 5.0, which is our most expensive indicator, as you all know. So in this video, I've made a compilation of our indicators. Okay, remember we have three of them: Tyrock, and then we have Money Heist, and then we have Golden Spike Killer. The aura appeared, and then the spike appeared as well. You make money. And then this one is Money Heist. This is our last indicator. Remember, we have Tyrock as our best, and then we have Golden Spike as our second best, and then we have Money Heist. Money Heist is also good, guys. You can maintain your lifestyle with this indicator, you understand? This is one of our best indicators as well. As you can see, I've opened positions there, and then the spike has occurred. And then here we have our Golden Spike Killer. Remember, all our indicators, they work on Boom&Crash. Here's the signal. As you can see, you buy, and then the spike is going to occur. That is how we make money. That is how most people make money in the forex market. But they won't tell you. Many people, they won't tell you. You'll keep losing money if you don't have any of the powerful indicators, and also if you don't listen, you won't make money. As you can see here on my Telegram channel, I told my clients to send me what they have achieved ever since they bought any of my indicators. Okay, and then this one, she bought a truck. As you can see, I think maybe she's into those logistics and everything. And then here, this is the guy, Jose. He bought a Mercedes-Benz, as you can see, with the use of our indicator, nothing else. And then this lady here, she opened a restaurant. I think she's from Nigeria. Yeah, she opened a restaurant. And then here, even this one as well, she opened a restaurant. I think ladies are into restaurants and everything, so we are not on that. And then this one, he bought this car for his mother. Look at the smile, guys. Look at the smile. And then this lady here, she bought herself a truck. I think maybe she's doing some business or something with the help of our indicator.